In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Smartsheet Control Center pricing and decide whether it's the right fit for your team. To get started, open the Smartsheet pricing page or go directly to the Control Center page if that's easier. The goal here is to find where Smartsheet places Control Center within its product lineup because it's typically not presented the same way as the standard plans. On the site, look for references to advanced capabilities, enterprise tools, or premium features. Control Center is usually positioned as a more specialized solution rather than a basic add-on for everyday users. As you browse, pay close attention to whether the price is publicly listed. In many cases, Smartsheet does not show a fixed price for Control Center on the website. Instead, you may see language that points you toward contacting sales for a custom quote. That usually means pricing depends on factors like team size, business needs, and how the product will be used across your organization. If pricing requires a quote, the next step is to contact Smartsheet Sales. When you do that, be clear and specific about what your team actually needs. Explain how many people will be using the platform, what kind of projects you manage, and whether you're trying to standardize processes across multiple projects or departments. The more context you provide, the easier it will be for the sales team to give you useful pricing information and recommend the right setup. It's also important to compare Control Center with regular Smartsheet features before making a decision. Standard Smartsheet plans already include a wide range of project management, collaboration, and automation tools. For many teams, those core features are enough. Control Center is designed for organizations that need a higher level of structure, especially when managing many similar projects at scale. As you evaluate it, think about whether you truly need portfolio-level project management. That's where Contrast Control Center becomes most valuable. If your team is overseeing multiple projects, using repeatable project templates, and needing centralized visibility across an entire portfolio, then it may be worth pursuing. If not, a regular Smartsheet plan may be the simpler and more cost-effective choice. Take a few minutes to review the page carefully, confirm whether pricing is public or quote-based, and then reach out with a clear summary of your team size and use case if needed. That approach will help you get accurate pricing and make a smarter decision about whether Smartsheet Control Center is the right investment for your workflow.